In this video, I talk about how negative thoughts are playing a role in your life by holding you back from your health goals like losing weight or getting fit. Have you ever thought about how your mindset may be affecting your health? Today, I would like to share how a negative mindset, specifically negative thoughts, may be blocking you from reaching your health goals like losing weight or getting fit. Our thoughts lead to our emotions, which lead to our feelings, then to our actions and to our results. And this is what I call the belief circle and what I share in my book, Bye Bye Normal, Hello Exceptional, Living a Life of Less Stress and More Energy. If our thoughts are not in line with our health goals and we're just working on making short-term changes and not long-term lifestyle habits, you're going to find yourself right back where you started. When you change your mindset, everything else will follow. So we're going to dive into 6 thought patterns that you may have that's affecting your health. If you have thoughts like thought number 1, I can't. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right. When you say I can't, you're justifying your limiting beliefs and you're making them stronger. This, of course, leads to more negative thoughts, more negative emotions, more negative feelings, actions, and your result, well, you were right. You can't. So what can you do? Ask yourself questions like, how can I? How can I fit exercise in today? How can I support my body with food? Just saying these words, I can feel a change in my emotions and in my body. And I am much more likely to exercise today after asking the question, how can I? Than when I say, I can't. Now, for some, those questions lead to thought number 2. I don't know, or I don't have. With this thought, you can add the word yet. I don't know yet. I don't have yet. So I don't know yet how I can fit in exercise, and I'll figure it out. I don't have the right foods to support my body yet, and I will make a list of what I need. When we start having conversations with ourselves instead of limiting thoughts, it's amazing what we can accomplish. Thought number 3, I should. Should leads to shame. You are putting unnecessary guilt on yourself, and you're going to find this word will block you from moving forward. I could, I can, I choose. These are words you can use to replace should. Take responsibility. Instead of, I should go for a walk today, I could go for a walk today. I choose not to go for a walk today, or I choose to go for a walk today. You are taking responsibility for your choices, whatever they may be. You are in charge. Thought number 4, when is this going to work? This is arbitrary. Instead, ask yourself, what do I need to learn? What do I need to do? How do I need to show up? What opportunity is here for me right here, right now? When we stop with the negative thoughts that lead to inaction, we can start moving towards action. Thought number 5, stop the but. But is your excuse for doing or not doing. Change it to and. And is an opportunity. Earlier, I could have said, I don't know yet how I can fit in exercise, but I'll figure it out. As soon as we say but, it gives our brain the opportunity to shut down. When I said, I don't know yet how I can fit in exercise, and I will figure it out, this gives my brain permission to brainstorm. I could exercise after I finish this video. I could exercise before dinner. I could exercise after dinner. Look at all my choices of fitting in exercise. Thought number 6, I am. You are what you say you are. After you say, I am is your belief. I am lazy. Well, my body is going to listen and be lazy. Now, that doesn't mean I'm never lazy. I could say instead, I am feeling lazy today. This word feeling separates me from being lazy to how I'm feeling. We have 2 choices to live by. A positive, open mindset. This creates positive thoughts. Positive thoughts bring positive emotions, and positive emotions brings action towards the results you desire. Or I can choose a negative, closed mindset, which leads to negative thoughts like the 6 I shared. These thoughts lead to negative or depleting emotions, which often leads to negative actions or inaction and more of the same results. If you find it difficult to flip your thoughts from negative to positive, you are not alone. Often it's because you are in what is known as the blue zone trauma freeze state. When you're in this state, it's difficult to make changes. It's difficult to be positive. Everything looks and feels negative. So Friday, January 6th at 12 o'clock Central Time, I'm going to be doing a free workshop on 3 ways to know you are in the blue zone trauma freeze and what to do about it. I'll share the link below. Now, I'm also hosting inside of my Fill My Cup Facebook group that is meant for stressed out, overwhelmed, worn out women, a 7 days to a more positive you. Our mindset is the most important thing we have to help us live out what I like to call an exceptional life. If you're a woman and you would like to join us, you can find the link below for that one too. Now, I hope you will have a positively wonderful day. Goodbye.